Hi friends, welcome to day 5 of Stretching Made Easy. Today is going to be another day of getting deep into your hamstring muscles, your calves, and your hips, and it's going to feel so good. So when you're ready, meet me on your yoga mat. Today we're going to begin in tabletop pose. Plant your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. We are going to take a juice it up, which means from here you just get to move your hips around in really big circles. I really love juice it up because by doing this, you get to see where your body is maybe feeling imbalanced. If one side is tighter than the other, you really get to do whatever you want in this movement. And maybe you really do want a cat-cow, so feel free to take that if you'd like. This is just such an easy way to stretch. You can do this before you start stretching to bring awareness into where it is that you do need to stretch actually. Take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. And then bring yourself back to a neutral spine. Inhale, tuck your toes, and exhale, downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, just take a moment to pedal out your down dog, bending and straightening one leg at a time. Inhale. Exhale. And then bring your down dog to stillness. Inhale your left leg up high. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. And then walk yourself over to a forward fold, a wide-legged forward fold. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, just allow your body to sink down into this posture. Inhale. Exhale, sink. Keep a very gentle micro bend in the backs of your knees so that you're not locking out your legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale here. Center your left hand in front of both of your feet, roughly in the center. And inhale your right arm up high to the sky. Exhale, twist just a little bit deeper. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last inhale. And exhale, fold down. Center your right hand in front of both of your feet. Inhale your left arm up high to the sky. Stay here for your exhale. Inhale, reach a little bit deeper. Exhale, twist. One more round of breath. Inhale. And exhale, fold yourself down. Inhale a strong halfway lift. Kiss your shoulder blades together. And then exhale, fold down and walk your hands over towards your left foot. You can try to bring your forehead down towards your knee. It's not about getting your forehead to your knee. It's just about sending your energetic body in that direction to feel the stretch in your legs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back to a halfway lift. Exhale, fold down, walk your hands over towards your right leg. Remember to keep that micro bend in your knees. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more full round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Walk your hands back to center. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Inhale, star pose, rise up. Bring your heels in and your toes out. Exhale here. From here, you have the option to bind your hands behind your back like so. Turn your feet back towards one another so that they are parallel. Reach your bind back behind you. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, fold forward and down with your bind. Now, if you're in this posture and the bind just doesn't feel good, gently bring your bind to your low back and then release it. Otherwise, use it to press your arms back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, lower your bind to your back and release your hands down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge to the front of your mat. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come onto your knees. And exhale, back to juice it up, swaying your hips around in any direction or way that feels good for you. Make sure you're still breathing. Inhale. And exhale. And when you are done, bring yourself to a comfortable seated position. Great job making it through day 5 of stretching made easy. I can't wait for tomorrow's video, so I'll see you then. Namaste, yogis.